Hello and welcome back. I have some really interesting video for you this morning. Today I'm going to replace my Mazzer Mini, the flat Burr replacement. Okay, so this is brand new. I just got it last night and I can't wait to replace it. And then here's what we're gonna do. I'm going to compare my newly modified Mazzer Mini grinder against my niche grinder, niche Zero. So I'm gonna do a couple tests. Retention rate and then shot quality. So let's see how it goes, because niche grinder is conical burr, as you know, and the Mazzer Mini is a flat burr. So this is 58 millimeter versus niche is 63 millimeter conical burr. So somewhat close, but it's not a completely different the grinder. But it's going to be very interesting to see. Okay, so let's replace the flat burr first, and then go from there. First, we are going to remove the top by clockwise. You know what? Meantime, I'm going to remove the chute there. Just going to remove the clockwise. Okay. Remove the top. Just meantime, I'm going to clean out the inside as well. But as you can see from here, on the top is somewhat worn. Hopefully you guys can see it. It's really worn there, worn out. The bottom burr is not as bad, but again, we are going to replace with this brand new one. So it's gonna be pretty nice once we are done with it. So we need to clean this up. Make sure do not lose these springs, okay? So this is springs we do not want to lose. Let's start with upper burr first. Just make sure, be careful removing these 3 screws. Once you remove it, just give it a quick clean and then replace the burr on the top. We are going to screw back in the 3 screws here. Just make sure all the screws are nice and tight. The replacing bottom burr can be challenging. So what I like to do is I like to have another screwdriver like this. I like to stick it in here through the chute. Just make sure it doesn't move around the spinners. So from here, I'm just gonna simply screw one at a time. First, I like to loose all 3. That's it. And then I'm gonna clean it one more time inside. Just make sure clean out all the old stale coffees. I'll be right back. It's all clean inside, and put new burr. Install the new burr. Again, just make sure to take your time, because you do not want to strip the screws. Okay, so just make sure, take your time, and just screw back in one by one. Now, as you can see, everything is already installed nicely. We're going to start with the springs, 3 springs. Is we are going to put the collar back on. Just make sure use I already greased with the food grade greaser applied to the side already. And then you are going to hear this metal to metal noise right there, right there. So right here is my 0 setting. Just gonna mark that as 0. Now, only thing we gotta do is just put everything back in. Top, bottom chutes. and that's it. So we are all ready to go. So this is practically brand new coffee grinder. Yes, it is used, but once you get the brand new Burr on, you're gonna give you brand new life to the old Mazzer Mini. So anyway, I hope this video helps. So my plan is, again, I'm going to compare with the niche grinder hopefully next few days, and I can't wait to go head to head with the niche. What do you guys think? You think a niche or Mazzer? I don't know. Let's find out. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well, and see you guys next time.